Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the SB Dunk Low Pro by Nike in a cool purple colorway. These released on the 23rd of January 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £90. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Sneakers and Stuff, and it comes in a purple Nike SB glossy box. The style code is BQ6817500. Inside the box comes the shoes in white and green SB wrapping paper. It comes with an extra pair of white laces. An extra set of court purple laces would have also been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Nike skateboarding takes inspiration from the basketball court this time to create this Dunk Low. It features an Air Jordan 1 black toe color blocking, this time with purple accents with the smooth leather heel, the lining behind the tongue, the SB branded insoles and outsole. However, the construction remains skatepark friendly. It sticks with the comfortable, supportive, elasticated strapped, puffy tongue, combined with the Zoom Air heel cushioning. I like its simple, clean design. It's very easy to style, and I love my pair of Air Jordan 1 Court Purples from 2020, and it uses that same nicer leather on the Chicago Dunks from 2020. Sizing wise, this fits similar to the Air Force 1 or Air Jordan 1, so I comfortably went down half a size as I did in this video. Comfort wise, the Zoom Air cushioning is fine for casual use as well as skateboarding. It's definitely a step up, pun intended, to your classic dunk. So the question is, are these a 2 pairs minimum? I'll give this a 1 pair mandatory. I think it's a very clean, classic, easy design, and I have no real complaints about this release. And yeah, just wanted to get this in to show my thoughts. So now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to comment purple to show me you watched this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and follow me on my social media links in the description if you like this content. Apart from that, have a good day.